Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I definitely needed something to help me jazz up my old dining room table, and I am very impressed with what this beautiful table runner from FEXIA did for the whole look of my dining room. I feel like this little table runner gave my whole room an elegant farmhouse look. I got mine in brown and white, but the company offers so many different choices in color, size, and style that I'm sure you're going to find the one that matches your decor best. I love the intricate design on this table runner. It has a beautiful textured pattern all the way down and these beautiful tassels at the end. My family is extremely impressed by how durable this has been. We have pets and children in this house, and this table runner has stood up to a lot of abuse that my household has brought on it. Due to all of this abuse, I was very thankful that this table runner is not only durable, but also easy to clean when accidents happen. You can simply throw it in the delicate cycle of your washing machine or hand wash it and lay it flat to dry. This beautiful table runner has definitely added some elegance to my dining room, and I think you're going to love it as much as we do. And that's my point of view.